adding new devices using Smart Discovery. The BG Home app uses Smart Discovery to add devices using your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. By default, both the app and your new device want to engage Smart Configuration mode upon the initial setup. Smart bulbs and lighting will automatically start pulsing slowly from dim to bright. From switching on the light, you will have a total of 5 minutes to complete the Smart Configuration process. If you are unable to complete the process during this time, your smart lighting will drop out of configuration mode and you will need to manually re-engage it. On smart extension leads and socket adapters, the light around the master power button will glow blue, then a quick flashing red light will appear for approximately 1 minute. You can pair your smart extension leads and socket adapters long after the red light stops flashing. There's no set time limit for adding a smart extension lead or socket adapter. The blue light will remain on and the red light will intermittently flash when a new connection is made. For Smart Plug Socket setup, you will need to manually engage Smart Configuration mode at the socket in order to connect the device to the app. To do this, simply press and hold the left button for 5 seconds. If the light status of the device shows a blue light with a quick flashing red light, continue setting up your device in the app. Now you know what the visual indicators are for Smart Configuration mode on your smart light and wiring accessories. Let's begin adding your new devices to the BG Home app and your local Wi-Fi network. Start up the BG Home app. From the home page, tap Add Device. Then tap Wi-Fi Equipment. Choose the type of smart equipment you would like to add. To add sockets, adapters or extension leads, tap Power. To add bulbs, downlights or floodlights, tap Lighting. For this example, we're going to add a socket adapter, so we will tap Power. Then Adapter. Check your device is in Smart Discovery mode. Then tap Next. The app will then prompt you to check your Wi-Fi network settings and select the 2.4 GHz network. If you have already done this, tap Done. Check the network and password is correct, then tap Connect Now. Your device will then begin to connect your smart light or wiring accessory with your local Wi-Fi network. If your app fails to discover your network, please watch our video on connecting devices to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Once complete, tap the device to set up. Then tap to Add to a room. Choose a room from the list to add the device to. Or tap Add a custom room from the bottom of the list to give a room a specific name. Next, name your device. We will name this device Charger. Then tap Save. Congratulations! You're done adding your first device. You can either go to the device control page or back to the home page to begin adding more devices. If the process was unsuccessful, check out the next video in this series, adding new devices using AEP mode. For more helpful how-to videos, visit the BG Smart website. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching.